Hello guys, today we're going to learn how to add poll in your AppyPie app. In this tutorial, we will learn how to add poll page in your app. Start creating app and add our poll page in your app. Provide a name to your poll. Now you can add poll questions on which you want your app users to poll and provide poll options. If you want users to poll for multiple options, then enable it. Allow multiple choices. You can add as many options to your poll. If you want, you can add image or audio or URL with your poll question. Once you are done, then save your poll. We have provided some options so you can manage your poll. Edit, update poll, active, inactive, enable and disable poll. The difference between active, inactive, and enable disable feature is that if you want to add remove poll questions from your app, then you activate inactivate it. But if you want your app users can only view poll results, then you could disable it. It is recommended that enable disable feature is mostly used when polling dates ends. Other things you can do is poll reports, delete poll, and you can add more poll questions as well. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.